To make the heavy metal detox smoothie, you will need 12 ounces or 1.5 cups of fresh or store-bought coconut water, half a cup of frozen blueberries, half a lemon peeled, 1 handful of cilantro or coriander and 1 handful of parsley, half a green apple, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and optionally a teaspoon of a superfood greens powder or spirulina or chlorella. So we're going to add everything into our personal blender. This smoothie is great for helping to pull heavy metals out of the body. We're exposed to so many heavy metals in our environment now. I mean, there's PCBs and mercury and heavy metals in fish in the Antarctic even. It's inescapable. In with a lemon. And the great part of this smoothie is you've got the coriander or the cilantro and the parsley. They're really rich in chlorophyll, which is the main component that makes plants green, but is also what is helpful in the body for drawing out those heavy metals. Green apple for a little bit of sweetener. Chia seeds, great for the omega-3 fats. And the spirulina powder here. This is actually a Food Matter Superfood Greens powder, which has spirulina and chlorella and grass juice powders in it. So in we go with that. And the spirulina and chlorella are also really powerful for drawing heavy metals out from the body. So let's screw that on and blend it up. And that is the heavy metal detox smoothie.